like why you need to know about the fundamental, whether you are doing it for yourself or you are doing it for some of the client. Try think and understanding these things so that you you utilize into your business. So I was talking about let's come back to the same websites, like not a website but the business I talked about, but now let's come to the website. Now leave about those advertisers who were just doing advertising onto the a road or somewhere. Although it's a hybrid advertising network right now, big brands are using digital advertising also, and they are using a traditional native advertising also, which is fine because there are some advanced level interconnection there where both are important. But a small advertiser cannot place a hoarding onto the road. They cannot buy it because they have a small budget there. So digital advertising is the best fit for them for to find the new users into the market. So they will think about it, but without the basic things, or how and what questions you need to ask yourself or your manager or somebody who is just managing your advertising platform. Try asking these things like what targeting you will be doing, where you will be showing my ads. Do you have gone through with the research of my website and brand there? So that will help you figuring out the things, and even help them also understanding about like what's the need and how to get the result. Now coming back to the both the businesses where you have the websites. Now I'll just try to explain like website related things, and uh, thinking about the basic things about your website. So uh, let's say you have a website for a school program where you are teaching, you have some kids program there, and you have a showroom for a jewelry a product there. And your website is something like it's selling some product, but uh, an advertiser, or if you just design your campaign but they are just landing to the website but they are not converting. So even if you just made all the filters correctly, and let's talk about the things, the basic things like the advertising. When normally in the Google ads you have uh, the ads in the different formats there, text ads and then a banner or YouTube ads there. So optimizing and everything we'll discuss about in the next lecture there. But uh, let's talk about the website and your requirement. I'm considering like you are running certain business, you are running certain campaign there, and it's not generating results. So this basics is important for those who are just going with the starting one, or who are already running some businesses and they are not getting that much of result and they just need to optimize. So these basics things will help them understand, okay, this is something that I need to know, or I need to just make some tweaks to make the things better. So take a look at your website also. If your website is not that much good, or try thinking like, always think about a user and you as an audience there. Because if you can find the problems into your business yourself, the same thing will be for the another one. So you are advertising the right person, your filters are correct there, your ads and keywords, that in the Google ads, I'll discuss about the ads and keywords in the next lecture. Try to explain that one also. So if those are also relevant and as per your requirement there, why it's not converting or why it's not giving sale. So the first drawback or the first level of problem can be mostly in the website there. Why? It is because sometime we notice, I notice there like people create the website based on certain pages there. So your things are not organized there. If you are a user, think like yourself, like if you have to buy the same jewelry, or you have to get an admission into that particular school for your kid, then do you want to go there or not? I think the answer will be in your mind already. Like if you see a website, just try to find a problem being a user there. Okay, I don't like the product available there. That can be one option. The second thing, I think the product cost is too high according to me. Third thing, I think they don't have a good collection. Fourth thing, I think they have something like I can get a better collection and everything in some other place, or maybe this is not the right time for me to buy. So this is the fourth thing, is something like users, uh, um, the time they just click the ad, the time they just reach the website, that depends upon their mental or their physical disturbance or anything, that they are not ready to buy, or that maybe they just clicked it, maybe they are just searching for it, they're not ready to buy the things, but they are just hunting for the things there. So just keep that particular thing, like instant action kind of things, into a separate place there. But yeah, the pricing, the collection, the availability of the product, and the easiness of the buying, how they can buy it. So try thinking about, like, is there is any hurdle that you don't like it, you want whatever you want into your when you are buying. Think about like that. If you are visiting the same website and you found some problem, they will simply you will just simply just close the browser, and you may just not think about it. So what happened in that case? You have just lost a potential user here. Consider, like, I'm talking about all your filters are correct according to you, as per your research and review. You have done every filters there already, and your keywords and ads that I will talk in the next lecture, those are also important and relevant according to you. And still, if they visit the website and they are not converting, think about why they are not converting. Because if you will not think, you will not come to know the reason. You need to know the reason. You are the right user, you are the right decision maker for your website. Think about that one, why they are not buying it. If you have to buy, whether you will buy it or not. If you really want to buy certain similar product or that kind of product, why you are just skipping it? If you think that the pricing is high, think about the different alternative pricing. If you think that the collections are less there, maybe try adding some more collections there, because everyone who is just searching for a product, they just want more options. It's just normal human behavior. So just try adding a few more collections there, so that they can think about it, the option. Not too many I'm talking about, but yeah, there are certain websites where there are hundreds of thousands of product there. But if you are a new, or if your website, thinking like you have certain issues, let's try to figure out, like, if there is any issue in the website, try figuring out that one, because that's an important one. So the third thing is like pricing. Fourth thing is about uh, the availability. If someone is searching for a product A, they find the ad and they get to the website and they found it's not available, it's out of stock, they will simply close the browser. No user think about before closing the browser. But for you, it's a click, it's a cost that you have given to a user. So try avoiding these hurdles or these problems into your website as much as possible. This is called website optimization. Further, there will be some more things, like, you need to optimize about the funnels. Like, once the user find the website, let's say sometime what